Good afternoon. I am very pleased that we have reinstantiated the alumni reunion after a long time, and I welcome this opportunity to speak to you about this great university that we all love so much. In the 18th year at MGR, I would like to recall the past years. I wanted to tell you and share to you now that the energy I encountered in your classrooms long back was really amazing, and I can't put it in any other way. And at the same time, there are lots of alumni currently are part of our board of studies members, and through alumni we have lots of placements happening in the last few years. I would like to thank all of you for that. I came away deeply impressed by the passion you, our alumni, have for MGR, by the intense pride you feel as MGR graduates, and by our commitment to assure you a strong future for MGR. We are what we are because many of you have partnered with MGR to make it happen. You come back to the campus to interact with the students and faculty. You attend events and tell your friends, colleagues, fellow alums and prospective students about the exciting things taking place here. You volunteer your time and your talent. You like our Facebook and Instagram. You provide internships, externships, jobs and career advice to our current students and other alumni, and you place MGR as a high priority in your charitable investments. I ask that never underestimate the impact you have on today's students. You are their inspiration. You demonstrate what is possible through earning an MGR degree. So I welcome you all to the university.
I am Prabhu Arumugam, MGR alumni. I would like to share my thoughts on saving energy on a day-to-day basis. So first, ensure you are switching off AC, lights, fans, modem while you leave or when they are not in use. This can be followed anywhere, not necessarily at home. So if you noticed a street light on during a day, you can switch them off. Second, switch off mobile, laptop, trimmer charges as soon as battery is sufficiently charged. Avoid prolonged charging. For example, our mobile just requires 2 hours charge, but some of us charge it throughout night. So we can avoid small mistakes like that will leave lot of energy for our future generations to come. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ashokan, MGR College alumni. Today I am going to talk about saving energy. If I ask people not to use aircon or refrigerator, definitely they are not going to listen to me because they used it and they are addicted already. But I'll say one thing very important which will help you to get rid of, or which will help you to prevent something from your health related. What is that? This is called artificial tears. Artificial tears for dry eyes. I'm getting I got dry eyes issue more than 5 years because of the aircon use. I have been advised by doctor not to use aircon. If I use aircon, I'll get dry eyes problem down the line. Maybe after 5 years or 10 years, you will get the dry eyes issue. So then you need to use the artificial tears to save your eyes. So what I will say, if you are using aircon 8 hours daily, try to make it 4 hours. If you use 4 hours, try to make it 2 hours. Better not to use aircon. Don't use the aircon and be healthy, stay safe and save some energy for our future, next generation. Whatever we are going to save is going to be used by our kids. Our next generation will have something to use for them at least. So try to avoid aircon and try to reduce the usage of the aircon and be healthy, stay safe, and thank you.
This is V. Meera, the Alumni Coordinator for the Computer Application Department. I hereby thank the Chairman, the President, the Alumni Dean and our Head of the Department, Dr. Vijay Vinod, letting us conduct such an interesting event with the help of our beloved alumni students. Saving energy is not going to be hard, especially if we start fixing our homes little by little. Every little effort today makes a great difference tomorrow. Thank you.